Hey there! Today we're diving into a programming problem that involves implementing a sorted HList in REST. The core of the problem lies in the insertion function, where the return type varies based on the position of the new value in the list. This kind of scenario poses a challenge due to Rust's strict type system compared to C++. Now, let's delve into the solution. The key here is to leverage Rust's trait system to handle the different return types based on the static values in the structs. By using traits like hasValue, sorted tuple, and functions like makeSortedTuple, we can achieve the desired behavior. The code demonstrates how to define types, traits, and functions to enable the creation of a sorted tuple with the appropriate ordering based on the static values in the structs involved. To summarize, we explored a solution in Rust for implementing a sorted HList with varying return types based on static values in the structs. By using traits and associated types effectively, we managed to handle the problem at hand. I hope you found this explanation helpful. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. See you in the next video.